Guys, I'm making a roast duck, and these are the seasonings I'm using for my duck. It's gonna be inside of the duck. Take a good look. I have some of the garlic seasoning, cooking, soy sauce, some of the soy sauce, some of the oyster sauce, mayo sauce, add some of the seasoned sauce, a little bit, give it a little flavor. Put all these together. That great texture mixture. It's going to be inside of the duck, guys, and rubbing all over and season overnight. So stuff it really nice. Put all these inside here. Make sure you get it all over inside. Shove it in really good. Rub it all over. And you rub it on the top of the skin, outside, back, front. And leave this sit for a night in the refrigerator, guys, so you get a nice flavor of the skin. Add salt, sugar, black pepper, and especially this is my favorite season. Get a nice texture, guys. There you go. Now close this up. Keep the seasoning in. Let it sit in the fridge for overnight. Look at that. Beautiful. So I take one of these rods, guys, and just kind of sew it into the body, so that way everything soaks in very nicely. Look at that. Perfect. Nothing comes out. Stays in the meat. You have a duck. Perfectly duck. Do the same here. Close up the mouth. Like I said, I sewed this. I'm going to clip this off. So I have to sew. You stitch it like this. So I'm going to do over here now. And this is the back of it. Same thing here. Close this off. Using this, stitch it. So I stitch it over here too. So you have the mouth closed. I use my clipper and I'll clip this. There you go. So now you love this marinade. I said overnight, the refrigerator. Gonna take this here now. Grab this here. Let it sit in the refrigerator. Part 1 finish. I'm adding honey to the hot water. Soak it with the hot water. Give it a nice color it needs. We'll repeat this for 10 minutes, guys. Then we'll take it to a different step. Remember, all the seasoning is inside, soaked up. We added the honey water. Give it a nice sweet taste. At the same time, everything is closed up. So repeating this for 10 minutes. Nice and golden brown. Look at that, guys. I said within 10 minutes, gold brown. Beautiful color, look at that. Get out crispy, what that crispiness. Let's take this one. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. Look at that gold brown, crispy duck. That's what you're looking for. Look at that. Wow. I'll say about half an hour on this rotisserie and it's well done. So this is where you remove the pin from the front and you take the pin from the back. So all the seasoning inside. See that? So good. This look really nice. Well cooked too, right? Well cooked. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Finish with your sauce and you dip it. Beautiful duck. That's how you do it.